How to change Apple ID password if you forgot it. In this tutorial, I'll show you two simple ways to reset your Apple ID password. Method 1. Change your password from iPhone settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top of the screen. Next, tap Sign In and Security. Then tap Change Password. Enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. Now enter your new Apple ID password and confirm it. Once you've completed the steps, your Apple ID password will be updated. Method 2. Reset your password online. If you can't change your password through settings, open a Safari on your iPhone. Go to iforgot.apple.com. Select the option to reset password and follow the instructions. Enter your Apple account email address or phone number when prompted. You may also be asked to verify your identity using a trusted device or phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. And that's it! You've successfully changed or reset your Apple ID password even if you forgot the old one. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone and Apple tips and tricks.